Introduction to Houseman Services and Equipment Inspection Services. Houseman offers world-class inspection services for cranes, drilling and pipe-lay equipment by using drones. Houseman is a certified service provider under Lloyd's Register since April 2021 using a remote inspection technology system. Flown by qualified drone pilots, it offers safe, remote visual inspection in any environment, avoiding the need for workers to access dangerous and hazardous locations. Compared to previous slower methods, drones can collect visuals in under a minute. Performing an entire inspection is no longer a matter of days, but hours. By saving time up front, repairs can commence sooner. Scaffolding, rope access or cranes are no longer required to perform visual inspections. Being small in size, drones are able to gather visuals even in the most difficult and cluttered spaces. By using drones to inspect your equipment in either autonomous or manual mode, you'll be able to not only save time and cost, but also have a precise collection of data for analysis and future reference. The data collected will be analysed through our state-of-the-art AI software, Equipment Inspector. The defects are marked on the image of the equipment, and by clicking on the defect number, it will describe the defect type and also provide additional information which specifies if it is safe, requiring repair, or unsafe to aid in repair prioritization. All provided reports will include an image of defect, type of defect, and the suggested repair. Some common defects include corrosion, paint peels, weld cracks, and buckling. Houseman Drone Inspection is an innovative solution that is changing the way we inspect buildings and equipment. Being a global company with almost a century of knowledge and experience, Houseman is your reliable, long-term partner for step-changing technical solutions.